Heyo, Jessica Lanier here from Health Patriot Coaching, and I wanted to create a quick video to teach you how to use the Coach Link Generator as a coach or as an ambassador with our team. So you're going to visit, I do this every time. I just Google it, Coach Link Generator, and every time this will come up, tbbcoach411.com/coach-link-generator. This is super helpful because it will give you customized links that you can send friends, family, your audience on social media so when they click on the link, they will be automatically linked to you as their referrer. So I'm going to plug in my coach ID here, and you're going to want to plug in yours. 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. You're going to press submit, and that will automatically customize everything. Now, this is a category that helps filter because this will give you links to everything that Beachbody has to offer. So when someone clicks on, if I want to send someone the 9-week control freak Shakeology challenge pack, all I do is I highlight this, I copy it, and then I'm going to send that link to them. So when they click on it, it's going to pop up with exactly what I'm referring them for here, and then I will be linked as their referral coach if they choose to purchase this. The only time this does not work is if someone already has an established Beachbody account with a different coach. If that's the case, then there needs to be we're going to use ShareCart, which is a different system. But this is super easy to post your links in different places. I hope this was helpful.